Sierra Michelle TV. Subscribe and like, please. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra Michelle. In today's video, I am just going to be showing you guys or telling you guys pretty much my tips and tricks on and just my how to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. I lost 10 pounds by sticking to a strict diet. I was very determined and motivated to getting back to feeling like myself, looking in the mirror and feeling like it is a real reflection of me, not like I'm looking in a mirror and I'm just like, wow, this is not me. Like, I've been feeling crazy. So this diet was pretty much just like a jump start into losing weight and just fitness and health. And prior to this diet, like last week, I was eating healthy. I followed not a strict meal plan, but I followed a meal plan. I ate healthy and clean, and then that gave me the discipline to do this diet in which I lost more weight. And I was more disciplined because I stuck to something the week prior to. So the diet that I actually did was the 3-day military diet. The 3-day military diet is something I've done before. I've actually filmed it before. So I'll insert a video on the screen so you can click on that if you want to. I've had good outcomes from it and I've also had negative outcomes from it. So it just depends on your determination and your mindset. So this go around, I didn't want to film it because I didn't want to mess up. I didn't want to psych myself out. I didn't want to any room for not succeeding. I didn't go over anyone's house during this time. Like, I just stayed home, ate what was supposed to be eating, and just didn't tempt myself. Because if I tempt myself, if I go somewhere else and I eating cheesecake or something good, I'm gonna want some. So I didn't even try myself. I stayed home. I ate the meals. I actually cooked them in the daytime. Like in the morning, I would cook my breakfast and lunch, and then when I got home, I cooked my dinner, and leaving little room for error as possible. If you're not familiar with the military diet, I will leave like a screenshot right here of what it consists of and what's in the diet. So pretty much, I did not follow the diet as strictly as I said before, but I did really follow it. I just substituted cottage cheese for yogurt and yogurt in my little granola mixture rather than the yogurt or the cottage cheese and the crackers. I'm like, nah, give me some yogurt and give me some granola to put in it, and I feel like that equates to the same, measurements. And then I also believe I substituted ice cream for a fruit pop. So those are the 2 substitutions I did. Also for me, I drank water during this week and last week as well. I just was mindful of my water intake. I've really been trying to drink half a gallon of water so I can eventually start drinking a gallon of water a day, flushing my body out. TMI, but having bowel movements more regularly and just taking care of myself and making sure I see my body disposing of the waste and all that good stuff. During the diet, you're gonna need to drink water. And also when you get hungry, those hunger cravings, go to sleep. Or another thing that I did during this time was whenever I felt hungry, I ate me a pickle, a half a pickle. I got these sweet and spicy pickles that I concocted, and every time I was hungry, I would just eat some of those. And really, it's crazy, there's not a lot of calories in pickles. So don't say that I didn't tell you. So like I mentioned earlier, this diet was a kickstart into my fitness and weight loss journey. If you would like to see more videos, in-depth videos, more of my personality, with my meals that I eat, with fitness hacks, apps that I use to work out with, workout routines. If you want to see some more of that type of stuff, you can check out my vlogs, my day in the life vlogs, my nighttime routine, morning routine too. But if you want to see more of those lifestyle type of content videos that's in depth, that's more of a personality, you get more of my personality, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the vlogs. There's videos for you to binge if you want to. Also, if you have personally done this diet before, comment down below, leave any tips, tricks, and suggestions you know, so anybody that's on the journey as well, they can see that and they can do that as well. So thank y'all for watching this video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted. I'll see y'all in the next video. You made it to the end of this video. That's what's up. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and let's watch another video.